Hey there, fellow home cooks. I'm Jimmy, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best pecan cheesecake ever. It's creamy, it's nutty, and it's super delicious, so let's get cracking. First, let's talk ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar for the cheesecake filling, 3 packages of cream cheese, softened, that's about 680 grams, 1 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and for the topping, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. All right, let's start with the crust. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the graham cracker crumbs, chopped pecans, melted butter, and sugar in a bowl. Press the mixture into the bottom of a springform pan. Bake it for about 10 minutes. Let it cool while we make the filling. For the filling, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in the vanilla extract and sour cream. Finally, fold in the chopped pecans. Pour this creamy mixture over your cooled crust. Now bake the cheesecake for about 55 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is set, but still a little jiggly. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door slightly open. While it's cooling, let's make the topping. In a small saucepan, combine the chopped pecans, brown sugar, and heavy cream. Cook over medium heat until the mixture is bubbly and thickened. Let it cool slightly, then spread it over the cooled cheesecake. Pop the cheesecake in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight if you can resist. And there you have it, folks. The best pecan cheesecake ever. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!